Hello guys, today we are going to teach you how to make this beautiful crochet earring. We'll also attach the hook with our earring. First of all, we will make magic ring. We are using 1 crochet because this thread is very thin. This thread is used for making jewelry items.
Okay, one chain, 2 chain and 3 chain. Okay,
3 chains
and 14 double crochets. Okay,
first 3 chains and then 14 double crochets.
total 15 crochets, 3 chain and 14 crochets, so 15 lines. 3 4 5 6.
Like this, our magic ring is complete.
Seven chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and
7 chains
and the magic circle, 1 2 and third. Okay, 2 skip and third slip stitch. Okay,
after skipping 2, in the third one slip stitch.
turn. Okay, and this chain we make 1 2 1 2 and 3 chain and double crochet in this chain. Okay, total 14 double crochets. First 3 chain and 14 double crochets in this chain.
Like this you will make double crochets.
14 double crochets.
14 double crochets. So our 14 double crochets are complete.
One,
3 chains,
1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 chain. Okay, and double crochet, and next stitch. Okay, double crocheting, next stitch. Okay, 1 chain and double crochet in next stitch. Okay, okay, 1 chain
and double crochet in next stitch.
one chain and double crochet.
Repeat this pattern for the whole line. This step is complete. This line is complete. Now we are going to start our next step.
Okay, turn
4 chains,
turn it and count. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4.
4
4
chains,
chain and next double crochet, line, slip stitch.
first 4 chains and then we will take slip stitch.
Okay, slip stitch. Repeat 4 chain, 1, 2, sorry, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and next slip stitch. Okay,
4 chains and then slip stitch. This will be the pattern for this line.
2, 3, 4, 4 chain and 1 slip stitch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and slip stitch, Okay.
4 chains and then slip stitch.
1, 2, 3, 4 and slip stitch. Repeat the pattern
for this line. So our one earring is ready. Like this, we will now tell you how to place the top chain or hook in it. Now we are going to move our thread above. We will carry it to our above hook.
Okay.
This needs to be done neatly. This is an important step. Move the thread in a way that it goes neatly.
Okay. Okay. And this point.
Like this, we have taken the thread to the top.
Okay.
In the center. We are using this brown golden mixed color bead. You can use any color.
Okay.
This will make your jewelry look more beautiful. Now we are passing our hook from the thread. You can buy these hooks, these jewelry hooks, easily from the market.
Okay.
These come in silver and golden color. You can buy according to your clothes and according to your jewelry color.
Okay.
We will place the hook so that it is properly fixed in our earring. You can give these earrings to your friend on birthday. You can wear it on any party, on any occasion. With the passage of time, when you make them again and again, then it becomes more neat. So don't be afraid, try to make. We are now cutting the thread. Our earring is ready. Mashallah, our pair of earrings are ready. If you like our earrings, like and subscribe our channel.